Good day, my dear friends, students. Good day, my dear students. I'm responsible to present you the lesson in English on topic Britain's APT, Britain's Advanced Passenger Train. Let's begin our lesson. Britain's entry in a high-speed age is the Advanced Passenger Train (APT). This train with a new suspension system and lightweight construction has the fastest, quietest and smoothest riding in the world, and the first to be able to run at a very high speed up to 155 mph on existing railroads with little or no change to the track and signalling. Britain's plans for the next 10–15 years are based on the exploitation of the technology of the advanced passenger train used on existing track along present routes. Its commercial prototype will test the planning assumption that trains of 14 cars, 700–800 seats, can be operated to provide the capacity required during the period. The first introduction of Advanced Passenger Train (APT) will be at 125 mph, 200 km/h maximum speed. Even so, the advanced suspension features will enable journey times London to Glasgow to be reduced from 5 to 4 hours. The present maximum speed of the design is 155 mph. It's equal to 250 km/h, and it seems quite possible to stretch it to a speed approaching 200 mph, which is equal to 300 km/h, giving journey times London to Glasgow around 3 hours. Whether at 155 mph or at faster speeds, there will be undoubtedly be problems of control, compatibility with the plate and at the higher speed, wear and tear of the track. All these problems will be investigated in future plans. At speed about 200 mph, which is equal to 300 km/h, all forms of surface transport expend most of their energy in overcoming wind resistance, and only in a small part of vehicle support, be it by wheel, magnet, or air. The advantage of the two latter suspensions lie in the ability to effect substantial reduction in journey time, with perhaps some reduction in energy consumption for suspension. Their disadvantage, and it's a most substantial one, is that they will require new roads through urban areas to penetrate the city centers where railroads already exist. This Britain's long-term strategic studies will need to be concerned with determining the possibilities of where high speed on a new routes allied to the use of existing links to the city centers. Work which has been done already suggests that the optimum speed from the railway business viewpoint may approach 200 miles per hour, which is equal to 300 kilometers per hour. Beyond the speed, progress would depend on the social need for even shorter journey times and the development of even more advanced suspension and control systems. Okay, now let's search the active vocabulary, introduce ourselves. Entry, вход, kirish, boshlanish, suspension system, подвесная система, osma holda ishlovchi tizim, route, marshрут, yo'nalish, yo'l, track, след, дорожка, изъёл, assumption, предположение, принятие на себя, taxmin zimmaga olmoq, introduction, kirish, muqaddima, feature, особенность, xususiyat, o'ziga xos belgi, reduce, уменьшить, снизить, kamaytirmoq. Approach, подход, доступ, yo'nalish, moslashuv, muvofiqlashuv, kechirasizlar, undoubtedly, несомненно, shubhasiz, compatibility, соразмерность, совместимость, muvofiqlashuvga, me'yoriga moslik, wear and tear, iznos, eskirish, yeyilish, surface, поверхность, yuza, usti, expand, расходовать, sarf qilmoq, urban, городской, shaharga oid, advanced, передовой. Now let's do exercises according to the content of the text. For example, this task is identify whether such sentences are true or false. First sentence. Britain's APT with a new suspension system and lightweight construction has the fastest, quietest and smoothest riding in the world and the first to be able to run at very high speed up to 165 miles per hour. What do you think? Is it true or false? Yeah, the speed is not 165, it's false. Next exercise, please. Britain's plans for the next 100 on 10-15 years are based on the exploitation of the technology of the APT used in existing track along present routes. Please. Okay. Well, next exercise. Translate words into Russian or Uzbek. Suspension. Osman. Resistance. Partially. And so. Okay, do this exercise. Complete the sentences with one of these options. You should put, yeah, suitable variation. This is like tests. You can do it at home. Complete the sentences. You should reread our text and learn by heart on your own. Thank you very much.